Imagine you're a sysadmin dealing with a common problem in the management of school computers. The problem lies in the fact that Firefox users can easily change their DNS settings, bypassing any restrictions put in place by the system. It's a loophole that can be quite frustrating to deal with. But fear not, a solution is at hand. The solution to this DNS dilemma lies within the realm of Firefox's policies. By utilizing the precode policies dis over AES enabled true false provide a URL URL _to _alternate provider locked true false excluded domains example.com fallback true false code pre-configuration. You can exercise more control over the DNS settings of Firefox users. This configuration allows you to enable or disable DNS over HTTPS, lock the preferences to prevent changes, exclude certain domains from DNS over HTTPS, and determine whether Firefox will use the default DNS resolver as a fallback. To implement this solution effectively, you can set precode policies dis over HTTPS enabled false locked true code pre in your policies.json file. By setting enabled to false and locked to true, you effectively disable the feature and prevent users from making any changes to the DNS over HTTPS settings. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your DNS restrictions remain intact and that users cannot circumvent them easily. In conclusion, by leveraging the power of Firefox policies and the specific DNS over HTTPS configuration, you can successfully address the issue of users changing their DNS settings. Implementing the recommended settings will help you maintain control over DNS preferences and prevent unauthorized modifications. So, next time you encounter this problem, remember that there's a solution at your fingertips. Stay secure, stay in control, and happy browsing. And remember, a like, comment, and subscription are always appreciated, and just might prevent DNS mishaps.